I am back, and so are you. We got some stuff to talk about today in gaming. At around midnight last night, Nintendo decided to upload something kind of cool. As of early April 2024, online play and other functionality that uses online communication will end service for Nintendo 3DS and Wii U software. Thank you very much for your continued support of our products. Find out more. RGT85, everyone disliked that. So, here is the issue with this. We all know that they're getting ready to talk about the Switch 2. And we all know that they cannot leave free online gaming up while everyone else is paying for Nintendo Switch Online. But here's the really, really big issue. Lots of people's Pokemon are stuck on their 3DSs, and they can't get them into the Pokemon Bank. Some games, like Xenoblade Chronicles X, will be basically unplayable. And here's the really, really big deal for me, is Mario Maker 1. All those Mario Maker 1 levels are going to just disappear.
Good for me, bad for you. You don't like it? I don't care. Good for me, bad for you. You don't.
That's funny. But I mean, it's like, look here. I pulled this up here. Best levels for Super Mario Maker. And of course, this was posted 4 years ago. But this is what we're going to have to do. Is I'm gonna have to go around and try out all of the best Super Mario Maker 1 levels on the Wii U before I'll never be able to do it again, because Nintendo is shutting down an entire generation of consoles having online. It's just crazy, man. You know, this it's not very good for game preservation, in my humble opinion. You know. Next, we have some good news. Red Dead Redemption 1 on PS4 adds 60 frames per second setting for PS5 via update. See here? 60. Now, I actually have a reason to buy the game. The physical edition of the game is out next week. And it's just in time for Red Dead Nightmare, which is included. So, I might actually be playing the Halloween Red Dead content on the PS5, because 60 FPS is not available on the Xbox. But yeah, I mean, this really is just the big news, and why I had to hit record, because I mean, they're turning off Smash 4, Splatoon 1, Mario Maker 1, and literally thousands of other games. And like RGT said, everyone disliked that. And I had to talk about it because it's just another indication of things to come. Digital ownership is simply a rental. Now you have to pay to play online with everything but PC. And I mean, this is the big thing. Nintendo is vehemently against ROMs and preservation, but yet offer no viable alternatives and shut down servers prematurely every cycle. Small indie company, you got to understand. They just don't have the money. Waiting until midnight AM to say something about this sure is something. I mean, literally, no one is happy about this. What about Mario Maker Wii U levels? They'll be gone. Nintendo is killing our favorite online games for 3DS and Wii U. They're making the fans unhappy. The Wii U is my favorite. 100% more than Switch. That's cheap of plastic. Let's look here. These are all of the things that I reposted. Dog, Nintendo better be running like butter and sucking me good if you taken these away. They realized giving us free online play was too good of a deal. Yeah, digital ownership is renting, simple as. Certified hash brown moment. This man's being a little dramatic, but I get it. This dude, it's time for that Nintendo Switch 2. But don't forget, the Wii U had no latency, Miracast technology without a required broadband connection in 2012. The Wii U was misunderstood. This low-key has me spiraling right now. I still use the 3DS online regularly. Monster Hunter 4U with my friends will be impossible in just a few months. If a friend of mine from another state needs to evolve their Graveler on XY, the best way to do that will be mailing them my 3DS. All Mario Maker levels on April 12th being lost to time. It's a problem. It's a big problem. But what are you gonna do? We live in a clown world. Y'all be good out there, my dudes. You know me.
I'll be back.
See you soon.